Hello, lovely soul. Ayan, welcome back po sa channel ko. Okay, like, share, and subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. And kung ikaw po ay nasa iyong spiritual journey at hindi mo na maintindihan, hindi mo na malaman kung bakit nangyayari sa inyo ngayon lahat ng nangyayari na yan, it's okay. Okay? Hayaan nyo lang na mangyari yung mga bagay na yan. Let your soul do it for you. Okay? Kasi darating ang araw na maiintindihan mo po yan. Okay? Kasi you cannot represent God having this energy like greedy, having an energy of jealousy, having an energy of anger, sadness, tiredness, okay? Lahat po yung mga energy na yan is kailangan mapalitan ng pagmamahal, ng happiness, ng enlightenment, okay? At lahat po ng mga nangyayari na yan sa buhay mo, it meant to happen, okay? Kasi everything na kailangang baguhin is mababago yan before you represent God, okay? And kaya kung ikaw nasa iyong spiritual journey, you must know, okay? You must know na kailangan lahat ng mga bagay na yan is mapalitan, mabago, new beginnings in your life, okay? Because spirituality, like I said, is about love. It is about being loving yourself, being authenticity, okay? Being expressing yourself, your true self, okay po, lovely soul. And kaya hayaan nyo lang na mangyari yan sa buhay nyo, okay? Hayaan nyo yung inyong soul na baguhin lahat ng kailangang baguhin sa buhay mo para ma-experience mo yung new beginnings, okay po? So kaya wag kang mapagod, wag kang sumuko, okay? Go on. Keep moving on. Embrace your spiritual journey, your spirituality para mas mapadali yung iyong journey. Okay po, lovely soul. So, yun lamang po. Thank you for watching. God bless and I love you. Like, share, and subscribe. And i-follow nyo po yung aking FB page, Divine Love 889. Okay po, lovely soul. Thank you for watching. God bless. And I love you.